Another important aspect of yoga for calming our mind, brain, or for stress management is meditation. There are so many meditation techniques you can learn from different experts. Otherwise, just simply you can sit in Sukhasana, make Gyan Mudra, and sit keeping your spine erect and keep your neck and head in the line of spine and just close your eyes and relax. Just relax your whole body and try to listen all the sounds coming from neighborhood. There is no need to identify a sound. Just go on listening the sound and sit in this posture from 5 to 10 minutes or even more, and you will feel the difference after doing this. Then next method can be that you concentrate on your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Just see your breath coming in and going out, breathing in and breathing out. Just concentrate on that breath, and after 5 to 15 minutes you will be able to feel the difference that your mind has become calm and peaceful. Another method for doing this meditation can be that when you breathe in, you mentally say so, and when you breathe out, you mentally say hum. There is no need to speak out loudly, just mentally you speak so, hum. Whenever you breathe in, so, whenever you breathe out, hum. Otherwise, you can go reverse. You just say so and breathe in, and hum, breathe out. The concept behind it, I think, is so hum is made up of sa and aham from Sanskrit. Sa means wah, he, and aham means मैं, I. Whenever I say so and breathe in, I consider that the supreme power that runs the universe should come inside me and make me powerful. And when I breathe out and I say hum, means I should go out, ego should go out, because because ego is the main reason behind most of the mental problems. So when I say so mentally, I am breathing in, and when I say hum, breathing out. That can also help you to concentrate on or focus on your breath, and you will be able to meditate.